Have you ever wondered just how minimalist you could go? On a very windy day, I interviewed Nancy, a poet and songwriter who has been living and thriving in a 2014 Transit Connect for over 5 years. When she says she's kind of a minimalist, she's being very humble. Her van features a bed and some storage with a couple of solar lights. She sets up an outdoor kitchen and loves living her nomadic life.
My name's Nancy Eist, and this is a 2014 Ford Transit Connect, and this is the way I live. This is my home. This is my bed, and this is about all I need. Oh, this is Pete, my dog. He's almost 11, and he's my watchdog. Takes care of the van when I'm not around. This is a futon. It's a twin futon. And my dog usually sleeps with me on this bed. Anyway, I got storage back here. My bed ends here. So I got storage back here. I use Lucy lights. I use this one a lot. This is really good. It even charges your phone. You know, I hang everything up and make use of every spot. Even though I got 50 million holes in here that nothing really lines up to anything I need to use. But everything I own that I wouldn't want anything happen to is in the van. And I use the front for a lot of storage. And I don't know, I just simplify everything. I'm kind of a minimalist. So everything under here, all the bins are underneath my bed.
Okay.
Yeah, and I slide them out, slide them back in, my food, and you know, anything important. You know. My guitar usually comes in the back when I'm driving. There's a few things that come in the back when I'm driving, but and I got a back hitch haul thing, so I got bins there. But basically, that's about all I'm pretty minimal.
That's great.
Yeah, don't have any solar.
And do you have any refrigeration or?
No, none. Actually, I haven't had. I started out with a cooler. It didn't work out very well, having to go back and forth for ice and stuff. So I stopped that, and that was like over 4 years ago. And I use the brand new cooler I have now for storage, food storage in my front seat.
Excellent. So what would you say to a woman who is thinking about getting on the road?
Do it. Just do it. It's great. It's freedom. It's definitely the best you can. I don't know. I love it. I'm just you're outside. You got beautiful views every day. Different views anytime you want. Beautiful sunsets. What else do you want out of life?
How long have you been traveling full time in this van?
In this van, about 5 years. I think this is my 5th year.
Wow.
Yeah. I love it.
That's amazing.
Yeah. I close these at night. I got this, and I just close it with so I don't get any moonshine too much. There's some storage. I throw some toilet paper and some paper towels and stuff up in there.
And that came with the van?
Yes. Yeah.
Great. Sorry, folks, about the wind.
This is all my overflow and my butane and propane things. And when I can't fit in my van, it goes in here. So this is where I cook over here. This is my kitchen. I keep everything for breakfast in one spot. So I don't have to worry about anything before coffee. I can find it. And I have a 0 water pitcher that I recommend at least some sort of filtration system for the water, because I've had readings of 400 and something here. I get 0 when I filter it. This is where I cook, and sometimes I cook inside, but I leave it cracked open, and these don't get hot. I put it on something like this, and it doesn't. It's fine inside when I cook. From the wind, I figure out where the wind is. If the wind's coming in both the ears, that's where it's coming from. So I don't know. Everything folds up. It's box fits in another bin there, and this bin fits in another bin. So it's all just stacked, and they all fit into each other. And that's it in my front seat. This folds up, and
Great.
that's about it. I write music, and I write poetry, and I play the guitar, and I just published self-published a book on poetry and love stories on the desert for nomads. And this is my book called Poems and Love Stories of a Wandering Nomad, and it's on Amazon.
I really appreciate Nancy's willingness to open up her home to us. I love how she has everything she needs for a comfortable and adventurous life in a tiny space. If you'd like to see more van and rig tours, van life tips, and other information to help women get on the road, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I appreciate your thoughtful comments, and if you'd like to join in deeper conversation, join our Facebook group, Gal Adventurers. This is Joni with the Galavan. Enjoy your journey.